Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel, and today is the beginning of March and the debut of another sheetload of cards from Call Me Crafty Owl. So I was chosen to be part of the design team for the sheetload of cards that Call Me Crafty Owl puts out every month. And so I whipped up some cards using her super easy and fun sketch for March. And if you're not familiar with the sheetloads, she provides you with a sketch, supply list, and a cut list. So everything that you need to make a good amount of cards. I think it ranges anywhere from like 6 to 12 cards depending on the sketch, the amount of paper that the sketch uses. So I used my March sheetload, and I used paper from this Canta pad from GCD Studios, and this is my newest 12 by 12 pad project, and I will be kind of introducing it here later this week, but I did go ahead and kind of break into it to make my cards for the sheetload. So I decided to make my focus on with this pad is some Mother's Day cards, and so that's what I decided to make with my pad. And I pretty much followed her sketch exactly, except for the fact that I cut more of this pattern to be on the top part and then this to be on the bottom, just because I wanted the more solid pattern kind of towards the bottom, so it kind of weighted the card a little bit. And then I did use the same yellow stripe all the way throughout. I also used this is kind of like a black, kind of a subtle pattern, and there is paper in this pad that is double-sided. And so there was one that, it was kind of a weird, oh, you can see it here. It was kind of this weird swirly pattern, and it wasn't one of my favorites, but it did have like a black pattern on the back. And so I decided to use that to be the matte piece that goes behind my sentiment and behind this strip here. So pretty much everything on this card came from my paper pad except for the sentiment. And the sentiment I did print from my silhouette because I have no Mother's Day stamps. It's so sad. I have no Mother's Day or Father's Day. So I did print this from my silhouette, and it just says Happy Mother's Day with some hearts. So I ended up making 10 cards just because I wanted to use up the whole sheet of this black pattern, you know, the back side with the black pattern. So I got 6 cards with the flower pattern at top, and then 4 cards, excuse me, with the blue pattern at the top and the flowers at the bottom. These went together super quick, and just like that, I had used up several sheets from my new paper pad, well, not new, but my new project pad, and had 10 cards done for Mother's Day. So these cards, a lot of these cards are going to be donated to Cards for Soldiers, so I'm trying to get them done now so I can get them shipped in time that she can get them out to the overseas soldiers. So anyway, that is my sheetload share for you today. In the description box will be more information on how you can get the sheetload sketch from Call Me Crafty Owl. So her channel link will be in the description box below. And there are a bunch more crafty ladies that are on this design team, and so they are spread across YouTube, blogs on the internet, and then on Instagram. So those will be linked in the description box as well, so you can go and check out how they use the sheetload sketch for their cards to see, you know, different variations of how different people use them. So if you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, check the description box for more information, and I thank you guys so much for your time tonight, and I hope you have a crafty March.